up, YouTube? Well, today we have an Airsoft unboxing from Airsoft GI, and I know it's in here, but you don't, so let's find out. If you guys haven't checked out our giveaway, click a link in the description to win a Colt CO2. Cool, I got some paper. I got a 9.6 G&G battery. I get a smart charger for the battery for NiCad and nickel metal hydride batteries. 5,000 Javelin BBs, which I got off the Shocker deals they have every day during the week. And I got this cool poster of some G&G guns that I guess I got one. And some other stuff. Order form. And this is the gun.
You got an order form?
Yes. The gun is the CM16 Raider. There'll be a review on this separately. So check out our giveaway. See ya.